Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can enter all typing features on this Motorola smartphone. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose System. From here, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now you need to click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are located here. In order to switch on or off one of them, select Switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!